just going to show you a cheap and cheerful way of weathering Osborn Model Kits pallets, or as they call them in the States, skids. These ones here I've already done, and I'm just going to show you what I do. I'll just move these out of the way. I use 4 colours of just pastels. Pick them up at the $2 store. Here's a couple of pallets that haven't been done. And what I'll do is start with the yellow or the gold, and I'm just going to colour them in. Just rub the pastel all over it. Yep, looks a bit yellow, but that's alright. You don't have to do the whole palette. If you want to look a little bit older, we're going to use a darker colour. Just rub all it on. Excuse my fingers. There we go. Follow that by a bit of brown every now and then. Just streak it onto the palette. As you can see, I'm just picking out random bits of timber on here. That'll do that. Followed by the grey now. Now the grey, I just paste all over. Not too fussed with how the grey goes on. If you want a tired, old, worn looking palette, probably a lot more grey where the timber's faded. As such. Now for staining, to make the palette look a little bit older, I'll use this one here. Just a bit of black. Just wipe the black on. Give it a little piggy. Take your finger, just smudge it. You can see the difference it makes from the original palette. Take the others, just move it around with your finger, take that tone in. I'm going to put a bit of black on this one here, give it a bit of an older look about it, run it down, a bit more black here and there, and that'll do it. Now, because these are powders, what you can do next is just to seal them. So what I use is just a matte spray. It's just a finishing sealer. Pick it up from your local hardware store or art craft supplies, and just give them a light spray over the top. That won't take long to set, and the colours you put on there will stay there. You can roll them over afterwards if you want to do the base, but if you're just going to stand them up or stack them, they'll be fine as it is. Anyway, there you go. Remember, Osborn Model Kits, skids. Cheers, Gary.